63% of Americans now say the war in Iraq is a mistake. That is the highest percent who say it's a mistake since the war began back in March of '03. We've been asking this mistake question about wars going all the way back to the Korean War. There's a lot of interest in a comparison between Iraq and Vietnam. In fact, at no point while the Vietnam War was going on did more than 61% say it was a mistake. So the current 63% saying the Iraq War was a mistake is higher than at any point during the Vietnam War. I should point out retrospectively, in the 90s, we went back and asked, looking back, was the Vietnam War a mistake? And at that point, 70% or more said yes. But while the Vietnam War was going on, the high point was 61% saying it was a mistake, so we have broken that record. Let's look a little at the trend here for the Iraq War. When it began in March of '03, we asked the classic, is it a mistake to have been involved question, and just 23% said yes. In other words, strong support for the Iraq War as it began. But by the next summer, June of '04, we had 54%, a majority of Americans saying it was a mistake. That didn't stay that way. It dropped, particularly in the '04 presidential campaign in the fall. Well, less than a majority said the war was a mistake, but then it picked up. And in fact, the last time we had less than a majority of Americans saying the Iraq War was a mistake was September of '06. Ever since, at least half, and now more recently, well over half of Americans have said the Iraq War was a mistake. I'm Dr. Frank Newport, Editor-in-Chief of the Gallup Poll.